What up, guys? Today's video I want to talk about how to successfully create a training program. So a lot of people want to know how to create a training program that's going to be effective. So first you need a couple things. The first thing you need is you have to have a goal. Okay, so the goal could be you want to lose fat. You're gonna have a different training routine than if you want to build muscle, or if you're an athlete and want to build up conditioning. So you have to choose your goal. What is your goal? Do you want to lose weight, or do you want to build muscle, or do you want to build conditioning? Do you just want to be fit? Choose your goal. Okay, that's the first most important step. The second most important step is, what equipment do you have? Do you have equipment at home? Do you have access to equipment? Do you have access to a gym? Can you get a gym membership? Basically equipment. What kind of equipment are you capable of using? Are you capable of getting? So yeah, that's the second most important factor, equipment. The third most important factor is your time. So when you have the goal dialed in and now you have the equipment, now your time. Can you work out 6 times a week? Can you work out twice a day? Can you only work out every other day? Can you work out twice a week? Can you work out 3 times a week? So based on your schedule and based on your work and based on your busy lifestyle, you have to fit that training in. Now, how much time do you want to train also depends on the goal. But yeah, you have to look at your time, look at your schedule, and see how much time you actually have to work out. When you have all those three, then the last step is basically to just focus on what you like. When you have your goal, then you have your equipment, then you have your time, and then you focus on what you like. So what do you like? Do you like calisthenics training? Do you like weight training? What do you like? What kind of exercises do you like? What kind of routine do you want to do? Basically, after you have all those four, then you can create a training routine. Now let me give you an example. So let's say your goal is to lose fat. Okay, so you got the goal. You want to lose weight. So the main point is to be in a calorie deficit. So the training is basically going to be to maintain muscle and to burn more calories. So number 2 is equipment. Let's say you don't have a gym, you can't go to a gym, so boom, you're gonna do calisthenics. Simple. Now you already have the type of routine you're gonna do, and you already have the goal. So number 3 is gonna be time. So let's say you can only work out 3 times a week because you have a busy schedule, you have a family, you have a job, you have school, so you can only work out 3 times a week. So now you basically can work out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and because you're only working out 3 times a week, you can do full body workouts. So boom, full body training, calisthenics 3 times a week, boom, you got your routine. And now what you like. So because you're doing full body, you have to pick the exercises so you have to pick at least one exercise for each body part. So you got body weight squats, you got body weight lunges for the legs and the glutes, then you got push-ups for the chest, you got pull-ups for the back, you got chin-ups for the biceps, you got wall handstands or pike push-ups for the shoulders, and you have close grip push-ups or dips for the triceps. Boom, you got all the exercises for each individual muscle group, which is a full body workout. You do 4 to 5 sets of that, 60 seconds rest because you are on a fat loss program, so you want to rest less, which is going to burn more calories, going to make it more intense. So yeah, now you have your routine. Now you have the schedule. You're going to do it 3 times a week. You're going to do calisthenics. Now you have the exercises. Boom. Now you basically have everything, and you created your first successful training routine. Now you just do the same, but you have to pick for yourself, the goal, the equipment, the time, and what you like. And then you can create a successful workout routine based on that information. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Definitely like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out.